Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to show how you can use emojis in your daily habit tracker. If you are using Windows operating system on your computer, we have emojis. Emojis are these symbols like smileys, tick marks, cross marks, and many other many other symbols like this, pictures like this that you can use it in your habit tracker. So if you want to use these emojis, what you need to do is, if you are on Windows computer, all you need to do is press Windows button and dot, Windows plus dot. I'm going to open Notepad. So it is Windows plus the point symbol or the dot symbol. So it is Windows plus dot. All you need to do is on the keyboard press Windows and press decimal or dot key, and it will show all these emojis on the screen. See, you see all these emojis. See all these emojis. All these emojis. These are all interesting pictures. If you want to use it for your daily habit tracker, you can use these emojis. Okay. This is love symbol, and you see all these symbols. See, you see check mark here, yes and no, cross is no, tick is yes. So you see all these kind of symbols here. So you can use this for daily habit tracker. See cross mark. Okay, so it is Windows plus decimal or dot. Or what you can do is, you can also right click on the taskbar here, right click on the taskbar, and you see an option called show touch keyboard here. Show touch keyboard, click on it. Once you click on show touch keyboard, on the right hand side you see this keyboard here. On the taskbar you see keyboard here, you need to click on it. Now you see a keyboard coming up on the screen. Once you see the keyboard coming up on the screen, you see smiley option here. Click on the smiley and you see all the symbols now. You see all the symbols. See, you need to put the cursor and just move it up and down using your mouse, and you see all the symbols. You see all the symbols here. So you can use these symbols in your daily habit tracker. Smileys, other symbols. So using your mouse scroll, if you just push up and down, you will see all these symbols. All this. Yeah, all this. So let's say for example you want to use 100%. You just click on 100%. See, the cursor is here. Click on it, and let's say you want to use green love symbol. You see green love symbol here, brown, red. Or let's say for example you want to use cross. You see cross. So in this way you can use emojis in your daily habit tracker or weekly habit tracker or any other purpose. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.